Welcome. Good morning. My name's Lee. Welcome to Renovation Nation. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe because I'm going to be doing an entire series on renovating this old house. Now, this is one of about 4 that we have going on right now, and I'm going to try and make a very good point to take and document a lot of the steps that go into renovating an older house, updating a house, some of the problems that you'll run into with older houses. This one's, I can't remember what year this one's built in, but it's fairly old. It's in its late 80s probably. Starting out here on the driveway. Take and pull all this concrete out, re-pour this. Take and seam seal all these cracks. Get some leveler and fix this up here because this is really not that bad. We got some rot on the outside. The doors to fix. It's gonna get all new exterior lights. We get to fix this beautiful rotten post. There's actually nothing inside of this whole post up here. It's just probably not really holding that much weight up, but still, we gotta pull it apart and fix it. Alright, walking in the front door. Gonna get a new front door on this one. Putting a new window in here that's actually tempered. That way, if you fall through it, it doesn't kill you. Getting new windows here. 4 new fixed windows. A new fixed window over here. Fireplace service. I don't know what we're quite going to do yet with the fireplace. Still kind of up in the air. I mean, this is a pretty awesome bedroom though. And it opens up into the kitchen. We're taking these upper cabinets down, and I think that we're going to take, I'm pretty sure we're taking out this. That way this is going to be a straight shot all the way out. Boy, this is not blocking all your connectivity to here. We're going to frame this step in. Frame this step in. That way it's one continuous step. I'm almost 100% positive we're doing that. I'm going to put new LVP down in here. There's some high ceilings in here. Nice big echoey room. We got to take all this crap off the wall and clean that up. Standard front closet with garbage left over from whoever moved out of here. Got a laundry room. This is a pretty nice little laundry room. It's got a kitchen sink. We're gonna put granite back on here. Paint these cabinets up. Put some knobs on it. New washer box. A new vent for the thing right there. Standard hallway. Then you got a bathroom. This thing's kind of wild. But you got, we're going to take all this beadboard off of here. And so it's got some kind of texture on the wall behind it. It's not too crazy. Tiny. I don't know, this is only like 2 foot right here. Get rid of this door right here. We'll put new shower valves in. It's gonna get a new toilet. This house must have been sitting for a while because all of the toilets are moldy like that. You get mold buildup on the toilets whenever they sit like this for a long time. The water evaporates and settles and there's no air movement. New vanity. I think we're going to end up going with a 3-foot vanity here. Give it a little bit more counter space. Get rid of these switches. Put all these switches in here. Security systems, they go bye-bye. Just clean stuff up. Fix all the stuff on the walls. Lots of little sheetrock patches that got to get done here. We got to put up some new bifold doors here. Get rid of that track that's there. Put these down. Get a just a single run of wire shelving to go across here and make it a little simpler, a little easier. Oh, that's nice. Some little kid did that. Gets all new smoke detectors. Those are important. Trash removal. Another thing I like to do whenever we're doing our walkthroughs on these houses is I like to take and label stuff on the floor. So like LVP, that means this room is going to get LVP, which I'm going to come back through here after all the demo is done and take and write it on the floor again. That way everything is very clear on what needs to go, what needs to stay, what's going where. That way there's no confusion amongst anybody. I like to take and put X's on all the stuff that's going bye-bye. These countertops are going to get gone. We're actually going to put an all-new kitchen in over here. We're going to take in, we're going to put a range in here, get rid of that, put a range in here in the island. This part of the island is going to go away, so it's just going to be a 8x4 island in here, and then there'll be a whole run of cabinets over here. And I think we're going to put the microwave over here in this corner. I think I may take and move it in the middle of this wall when we take and do the layout, just depending on how it works out. But you know, we got another window to replace. This garbage. New back door because it's rotted. This worried about when we take this apart to fix the siding that it's gonna be a lot worse. This right here. This is a no-no. You should never tile on your deck like this. It may look cool, but it's not good. We have to take all this out. We have to build a new deck now because this is not done right. Got new HVAC units over here. Man, this house is going to take us a little while. Got lots of work to do over here on this one. Come back into this dining room. We'll go upstairs now. Lights there. Getting new carpet here. Walk around the corner. You can see down there. And then the master bedroom. See, I'll mark all this stuff with red. When we put new fans up, lights up, I always take and pull those down because we're putting new, I don't know, this is kind of special, but it's whatever, I guess. Putting new glass in these. Don't know if you know this, but you can take and get just the glass inserts on these. So you can take, there's screws in these all the way around. You take the screws out, take this off, and then you have to come out here and cut it with a razor knife. And you can pop the whole thing out and you put a whole new glass unit in there. A decent sized bedroom for a master. You got a big old closet in there. Now this is, I think, straight out of the 80s. I don't think this has ever really been updated. It's nice. Nice countertops. Black tub. We're going to put a new fiberglass unit in here. These old tile showers are always exciting. Guarantee almost all the time when you have that around the bottom like that, that the floor under here is rotted. and you have to do subfloor repair. Got some pocket doors in here. Not a huge fan of pocket doors. They usually end up not being a good deal for longevity wise. They usually end up getting broken. Got our other bathroom up here. New vanity, granite, new toilet. We'll resurface this. I'll make sure and do a good video on resurfacing that for you. New bath hardware. Another bedroom. Gets a new window. This is broken. Also, to get all new blinds put in it. We need to fix we got to put a new roof on this one too, so I have to fix all the ceiling stuff in here wherever the ceilings are messed up from the roof leaking. But that's kind of a rough rundown of what we're gonna do on this one. It's probably gonna take us a month to get it rolling and going. Garage on this one's I guess the elevation's worked out to be a little bit different. So you've got like 12-foot ceilings out here in this garage, which I guess is nice. You get your crawl space with your water heater. This house has polybutylene in it. So we gotta take all that gray pipe out and repipe the whole house and get PEX put back in there. I really do enjoy doing that stuff. Probably one of my favorite things to do is repiping the house. Well, that's the tour of the new project. It'll probably take us a month and a half to do this one from start to finish. We got decks to do, windows to change, doors to change, HVAC, roof's got to get done, all new kitchen. It's going to be an exciting project. It's going to be a really awesome transformation on this house. I hope you'll subscribe, leave me a comment. I'd like to know what y'all think about it. I say I'm new here. I'm just now starting doing videos, so if my editing skills are bad, I'm sorry. That in itself is a learning curve that I have been working on for the last couple of months, trying to get ironed out and learn all the ins and outs, because I'm not really a computer person. All that stuff is new to me. But construction's my thing. Welding, building stuff, that's what I love to do, and I really enjoy doing that stuff. And I think it's time for me to start sharing my knowledge and the stuff that I know, because maybe it can help somebody out there. But if you're not subscribed, please feel free to do so. I would greatly appreciate it. And hit that bell whenever I upload new videos. You'll know for this series. Thank you.